Close is out talking notice. Shachiri.
Wat? Is it it's like first impression.
First
impression goed
Sinds is Namibia, bro. Bro, ze zal je disappoint.
En je gaat beginnen?
Lankal.
Oh.
Nou kom praat, cameraman doesn't speak bro.
Van je nog aan edit ik weet.
Oh, it's Big Brother man.
Big Brother man.
Wow. Wat was jullie? Laten jullie vragen vrij. Is net jullie 3.
So guys, what's up gents?
All good.
It's been a while I've been in front of a camera gents. Not gonna lie.
But you're a YouTuber.
Definitely. I was running this shit 2 years back. But I'll be back though. I'll be back though. Some jokes. Ja. Zoals Nest.
Je gooi hem weg zo.
No.
Fake love.
You see a fake laugh gents.
No, so you were saying?
Now I was saying like, I don't know why we did this podcast. I actually know why.
We did everything.
Yeah. They're like, why did we start a podcast? We just want to entertain you guys. Yeah.
Then yapping.
And yep about what's happening. Training topics and everything. And we'll be yapping about everything. Even you that we are watching. We check you on the internet. We'll be yapping about you. So by the way, some pollers. Pollers 19 on Instagram and on YouTube.
That's what I mean. Also known as Keys on Instagram.
I'm Cody. Known as Cody.
Check Cody.
Go check Cody. That is the main guy. Yeah,
gents. What's been happening, gents? What's been happening?
So everything is
a lot.
A lot.
Speed almost cancelling on us.
In Namibia. Nigga has to chill.
Imagine that guy's going up there, up north, but he's skipping Namibia. He went to all the southern countries. But
and he's in Kenya, right?
Yeah.
He's in Kenya today.
No, but he's coming though.
Wait.
When
sure, but it was rescheduled, I think.
Because of his papers and stuff.
Yeah, his papers and whatever.
Because first I thought it's like our people actually told him, nah, you can't come. What?
They know if speed comes to Namibia, like economically to benefit us.
Because he wanted to come for what? With a private jet coming, but they said,
oh what man?
It's coming with a commercial flight. Oh man.
Yes.
What did they
Bro, it's a private jet. I'm shocked. I'm joking. I'm really not sure, but yeah, by the way, we are coming from the coast, James. We are coming from the coast. What an experience, man. It's like every year we go to what is this? To the coast. In Miami. I don't know who decided to call the place Miami, Florida.
Everyone just started calling it Miami and then
because it's like
vibes.
Coast, no beach.
But it was lit, man.
You like the beach?
Yeah.
You like beach?
The beach, mummies, views,
Mummies.
Imagine first day when we landed, just there by star.
Yo, bikinis.
If you went there with your wife, I won't lie. And she's in a bikini.
You are taking bread to the bakery. Crazy. I'm just joking, James. I'm just whining. So how was it though? How was the coast, James?
Experience, bro.
What did you guys do? What did we do? Tell the people what we did.
A lot. First of all, I want to shout out this thing.
Shout out to
Lani. This nigga was lit from day one, bro.
I arrived late already.
Yeah, it was lit.
Then just going to the beach, bro. But he did not go. Unfortunately, did not go with us to SOS.
Yeah.
But SOS was also an experience, bro.
What an experience, Six. Shout out,
bro.
Yo, Mass Music.
I wasn't feeling him because he was like repeating. Not repeating, playing a full song, bro. Like I could have listened the song at home.
Okay, yeah.
He played it on YouTube. He played maybe Singizule, the whole song, bro, from A to Z. He must
Guys,
go
biggest
Exy.
song or
In
like
the middle, you check.
Ah yeah, bruh.
Mix it
Mix it the beat, bruh. But he was like,
okay, no, second to Zakes at least.
I didn't.
Yeah, but I won't lie, we're not even really listening like that.
Yeah.
Who are you listening to then?
No,
The
like, I
only-
would say like maybe like the last 3 songs that he played. That's when we were really listening. Like when
To Mas or Zakes?
Yeah, Mas.
Oh,
Mas music.
Zakes is first, bro.
oh,
By far.
It's a, we were
By
there from
far.
from
the set.
from the
From the
set,
beginning.
From
Ah.
the beginning.
I cannot
There was even times where he would like, right before the shanty drops, then he would just cut the song. Just for a few
Yeah.
seconds, bro.
Ah, it was dope, bruh. Yes.
The crowd, that's
I got my bro was also screaming for
Oh,
him, bro.
beans.
Yeah, he was
Niggas
screaming,
jumping.
bruh. My bro was screaming for him, and I was like,
There's
"Ish."
a cheerleader.
Yeah, bro,
vibes.
it was tops. Not gonna lie, what an experience.
I was screaming for Zakes.
She can pose. Actually, yeah, Zakes was just performing like that, bro. Playing full music, no DJ. Oh, what's the
And
DJ?
then, like,
DJ.
while the songs were playing, then he would like, play around with it.
Yeah, I know Zakes is big and mass music guys. Come on.
He's big.
What was your impression of him?
Of
You know?
Massa.
Yeah, of Mas.
He didn't impress me. Let me not lie
And
to
it
you.
was, but
He didn't.
because the thing is, he was performing at the Coca-Cola stage, so it's not main stage. So
Yeah.
we're sort of comparing with that. We're not really looking at
I would
the
say,
music.
yeah,
just
I
the
really say
music alone.
Zakes. Zakes was tops.
Okay, Zakes, then
We didn't listen to none, bro.
But
Oh.
we only listen to Zakes
Zakes.
and then Mass music.
Mass music performed at like 9, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In between there was
Zakes was first or mass music was first?
Zakes. I think Zakes
Yeah.
one was like around 7.
Yeah,
6,
7.
7.
Yeah, Sun Kiss and date.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
So
Kiseki.
So it's sold out, man.
Mhm.
There's a steady.
Divas Esteri.
Oh,
My days.
Can
Zakes.
imagine, bro.
Zakes was tough call. But overall, besides the performances, I saw everyone was there, man. Everyone.
What's the food stalls and all those?
They were not that expensive. Well,
Nah.
they were
Oh,
not that
Prices
expensive.
affordable.
They were really affordable. SOS. Shout out SOS. They were really
You still have
affordable.
money on your card?
Yeah, I'm waiting, bro.
How does those
I reach-
how does the
I reach-
refund work? Like,
I think they put on your card, like send it back to your bank or something.
Yeah, they asked for my bank details.
Uh,
And yeah. And that's it. And I've been waiting. When was it, bruh? Last
Yeah.
week. Was SOS was last week?
The other week.
The other
weekend.
weekend. Okay. The other weekend. The 27th.
this was other weekend.
Yeah.
Nee, die naweek was die ene wat ons terug
Kom in. Was het moest juist die naweek teruggekom? En dan
Ja,
ja,
het
is het vrijdag teruggekom?
Vrydag. Hulle het ons donderdag teruggekom.
We came back the second.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm still, but yeah, if you say so.
I mean, this week flew by. Bro.
Yeah,
I
it was
actually
fast.
feel this week, bro. Don't wanna lie.
Yeah, but by the way, again, shout out SOS.
Shout out SOS.
It was an event, man.
Oh.
I'll never forget about that. That was my
Best
best
decision
event.
for 2025, bro. I won't lie.
Yo, bruh. Nobody, it's not my best.
Nobody, is it the last one though? They said it's gonna
Yeah.
be the last one.
Yeah.
SOS. Might be the last one.
Yeah, might be.
And if they don't, if it's not like the last one, we'll go.
Yeah, definitely, bro. It's
Okay,
kinda
fuck it,
highlight.
Let's go to Cape Town.
If I'm lying out there. Nah, but Cape
Nah,
Town.
but-
is
budget.
lit.
Just the coast in general, bro. Just to go there for a holiday. Bro.
Yeah. Even like,
Just the experience it in its own.
You know, the
you don't
people-
have to go to an
yeah.
event or anything, bro.
for example, like me, people ask me what am I going to do there in the coast. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and then they are like, oh,
How do
always
you,
the same
how do you
coast.
enjoy yourself?
How do I
Yeah.
enjoy myself? Ah yeah, bro. As long as I'm with you, James, and with my other friends, then we are cool, man.
As long as you create memories.
Then as long as you create memories, right? It was tops. Not gonna lie, it was actually
Now
tops.
imagine if we actually like go ahead and I was like, man, we went on the ATVs, on the quad bikes.
On the boat,
Mm.
so we did it. We
Okay.
did it.
Bruh.
Me quad bikes
You
ni.
came up like
Camera riding, go karts,
take a look, take a look.
Ocean, on the ocean, man.
The jet skis.
jet skis.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
shit, Mexico.
Da.
Jet skis. But I never
Yeah.
did.
Dennis was on Waffleson. But what's it?
Jet skis. I'm not sure, bro, but
Because the last time I was there with what is my cousin, she did it in Valves.
Oh, man. And it was money.
Yeah.
Even though both cruise cheap.
But it's pricey maybe.
That's
It's
I
actually
think like
pricey.
I think it's the prices is the same as the quad bike.
Oh.
4 5.
Now I can understand you doing quad biking or jet ski.
Mm.
Nah, but like on a boat cruise, bruh.
No, but if you go on a boat cruise, you must go with at least drinks, bro. You can't just go there, come off to see the seals.
Even
What?
even camel riding, thing a chair, like
Okay,
why?
that is more for older people. Bro.
Yeah, by camel.
Niggas in their prime, like beans.
Yeah, beans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Niggas turning 30, bro.
Oh, con 2 years to drink.
Oh, if you guys don't know who Beans is, he's the cameraman. He's the guy behind the camera. Do not turn the camera to yourself.
You don't need to show yourself,
You
right?
need to show
And mommy gents, what did we do with the mummies?
What did we do, bro?
That's what
Why you saying we?
We yes. Cody, I saw you, bro.
Yo!
Cody.
Yo.
Oh, someone is watching. Okay.
Someone is watching what?
I don't know, bro. No.
No.
know.
No. I think.
Nah, I just
You think-
enjoyed it with the boys.
Nah, I was just with the boys, but I don't know what this thing.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, no, kiss.
Mommy's magnet.
Yes.
Kiss
Ah,
is him.
We're just chilling, bro.
With the mummies.
The mummies.
Sometimes with the mommy, sometimes
Sometimes.
with the bros.
Sometimes.
Hey,
Bro, even forgot we were there, right?
Okay, most of the time, yeah,
90%. Even it's Lucas since day one.
80%.
Yeah. I'd just like to advise the people, change. Take your friends. Do something, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
You
Don't
won't
worry.
regret, man.
don't keep the stuff in the group chat, bro. Take it out of the
Take
group
it
chat.
out of the
basically.
group chat. Was it the third time we went to the coast?
yeah,
Yeah, the third
I won't
time.
lie, this was the first time that I actually went with friends, which
to go there.
thanks to you, I actually enjoyed it. Oh,
Shout out.
I was G,
It was G, yeah, it was G.
definitely.
a moment. And I'll add a clip now of
Let me not. What? Let me not. Let me not. Let me not. Let me not.
Bro, we'll probably talk like for an hour if I have to talk about the coast, everything.
Yeah,
that's the
Sure.
thing.
Bro,
A lot happened.
much to unpack.
Not
Like on the 31st,
New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. Whoa, it was tough. The only thing I regret about that day, it's that we went with long trousers. We're supposed to wear
Yeah, we're
like
supposed to.
shorties.
No, not long term. These guys decided they're gonna wear sneakers.
Bro, we even won.
Sneakers, bruh.
Shit.
No.
Bro, I wore sneakers.
But I had
I'll
a
never-
baggy. Oh, Pusa Duba day, bro.
Nah, but later like around the 2 a.m.s.
Yeah.
It was
Nah,
cold.
when it was cold, like,
Yeah, it was cold.
Yeah.
And we didn't even, me and my bra. Oh, we all didn't have the hoodies, by the
No,
way.
no.
Yeah.
I think
No
only Liqua. It's not Liqua, but
yeah, thing is not
Yeah.
yeah, but you see, then it's also good that we not wear shorties. When you think about it.
Yeah.
Either way, like,
Either way, it
it
was
was like,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, Jen, so what happened last year?
last year.
Who won? One I saw like J-Lo's won something.
Yeah.
She won
Probably, I think
Is that
influencer.
best influence of the year.
Yeah,
Of
influencer of the year.
2024 now. Oh, 2025, sorry. 2025. Oh,
But I don't like. Ashan is always popping up on my For You page.
yeah,
Last year,
she deserved it. J-Lo's, I'm a
Work
fan.
ethic, yeah.
Even though I don't follow her, I'm really a fan. I do watch
I
her
like her
videos.
work ethic though.
Yeah,
like the
she's-
way, but she posts me like 13 videos in a day.
She's grinding.
Bruh.
She's
13
grinding.
now?
13
Yeah.
on TikTok, man. You don't. You are almost not on
Nah,
TikTok.
bruh. I believe TikTok is gay. But let's continue.
TikTok is gay. I say who's TikTok gay?
Nah, bruh. That's a gender, that's all.
Ah, yo.
it's like conspiracy theories track like them.
I am like top com. Top is like top.
You say so, bro.
If you wanna get like if you were brand Shandis,
Yeah.
TikTok.
Let me
Like
say,
for
example,
promoting it's
it's top.
It's probably
for
the best
business,
platform,
but
bro.
if it's like personally just for you, I feel like
Yeah.
no, like could be doing something better.
Better like
I mean, look,
Instagram.
it can also be a distraction if you're not like posting Shani.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I have friends that
Nah, you'll get hooked on like
yeah,
just doom
like I have a couple
scrolling.
of friends that as soon as they wake up, even before they eat, bruh, it's not like
Phone.
scroll maybe like 2 hours, an hour,
Yes.
then they go get ready or go start the day.
Yes.
I don't think, brothers.
And what else? What else happened?
Are you still talking about last year or
Last year.
last
This
year
year
in general? A lot happened, I think.
Empties.
What is it,
Zijn
guys?
sections and beef, wat dat
Ja.
was, al die goede. So a lot happened.
Spuza is always
Spuza
a
is-
song. But, yeah.
Who's is a goat, man? Like, I
don't-
believe.
I don't know
Spuza-
too much to like say
Yeah, I
what
don't.
or what. I just know.
Mhm.
I just know. I'm on Spuza's side. We whatever I said.
Yeah.
I just know. Yeah.
Thanks. I'm on Spuza's side.
Yeah.
That is, the last time I listened to Spuza was his latest song.
Jumpers.
Jumpers. Jumpers.
These days
Jumpers is
Bora
dope.
day, bruh.
Jumpers is like sexual.
Because I want like, even like for, especially for Shax, like the only way I'll hear that guy's music is through maybe in like a TikTok or through someone else.
Or maybe
Yeah.
on
I'll-
IG stories.
yeah.
I'll never
I
see.
won't really to search it up.
I'll sit, come and listen.
Yeah, I can imagine myself.
Shit,
Personally.
Shit, dear.
Zero.
I listen to them.
I name. Yeah, he even
Like-
won like what
It
is
did.
it?
Was
Song
it
of
song
the-
of it? Yeah, something.
For what? On my chest.
On my chest. Was it? Is it well deserved, James? But was the competition?
It's always competition, bro.
Yeah.
Who was the competition?
Number
Who
one,
was-
Spuza, obviously.
Mm.
What song did
Yeah,
Spuza
how
release
many
last year?
songs did Spuza
Or
drop
maybe-
last year?
Maybe because Jumpers came out after the awards, I
Yeah.
think.
He dropped it was right before Shani, December.
Yeah.
I can
Yeah.
remember. And that
Because
Shani
December relationships don't enter.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Drop it before December. I think, or was it in December?
I think yeah, Spuza is a song of.
Yeah, so
Yeah, he's always there.
Spuza
Yeah.
is-
No, it's
But I
always
won't
part
lie.
of the conversation, though, serious.
I won't like the only why I think that nigga won. Shax won
Yeah.
on my chest is because there was literally a TikTok dance made for the Shani.
On my chest?
it's- yeah,
TikTok.
there was a TikTok dance, bro.
Exactly, you are going back to your point, like TikTok and
Mm.
promoting and what.
No, I didn't see
Probably
that.
because I want like Shax team, like the team behind him when it comes to promoting, marketing, all the channels, I ain't the tops.
Aye.
Yeah.
No.
JC, the people that even make it.
That was like a dance one on my chest.
Yeah.
Real?
Yeah.
I
It is, bro.
didn't, they didn't come on my
Of
ear.
hy net het trend, kom.
The top, I think that song released. Only in the year, probably. Then it maybe, you know how TikTok is. Something only trends for a week, then it dies.
Yeah,
So,
Okay, but Raindance have been trending, gents.
oh.
And let's talk about
Can I
Raindance.
walk out together?
Gents, Raindance.
Nah, but
Raindance.
that song is tough.
Dave.
Days and
Dave
Tips.
and Tips.
Ai,
But
even zoek overrated.
Because Dave overrated. Cody, do you agree?
Let's play this good.
Yeah, I tell my.
Maar zeg je ook, moet
Oh, as you know about that topic. Oh,
Kom
sorry.
zeg je Dave is
Like
overrated?
say, like it's good. It's good, bro.
Mm.
No, it's good, but he's not that good. Yeah.
It's not that
Basically,
good.
basically for
Yeah.
UK audience, it's basically
For UK audience, yeah, he's
It's the
like-
best.
Yeah, for UK audience.
Yeah, maybe the
It's
best.
one of my favorite.
That's why you're
But
based.
internationally,
That's why
like
you're based
he
in-
fight
Hey, fighty.
every fight. I never fight for God.
Bruh, James is Dave is tough.
Yeah, say that stuff.
They-
Actually,
Name of the
That's
greatest
around here.
overly. Someone said what the greatest lyricist or something.
The greatest.
but
one?
exactly like in it.
He's
He's probably not the
Songwriter.
greatest, but he's like his lyrical.
Yes, that is
ability
Shakespeare,
stuff.
me.
Oh, like,
Shakespeare.
Come on,
Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. Shoot. I
Please
have.
be a Norex, but I don't see. Now your point makes sense.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And like,
Come on, bro.
I'm with the wrong people always, bro. What does they fence now? Just like.
You're
I
with the wrong
mean, his
people.
song, Raindance, bro. Shani made numbers, bro.
I think they are
15
the-
mil in a week, bro.
Yeah, in a
On
week.
Spotify alone, imagine.
Oh, the first day.
No, like the first week.
The first
Was it this week or last week?
Yeah, this week it was the most streamed song on Spotify.
Yeah, this week.
Yeah.
On
And
Spotify.
they
Imagine if how many streams it has on like Apple Music, all those places.
And the music video, I
Oh yeah, even
Gents,
competitions.
I don't think those two can
They
deny
are.
the allegations. They are
Man.
definitely.
Oh,
This is a baby.
I did
Does
not
it come
watch.
the video chicky come
Yeah.
like you admire?
Okay, man.
There is
man.
a stuff.
Thank Jeleni and let Daddy.
I can't say.
You can't
Because
see.
if I'm being honest, I've not watched like or seen anything with them like, together. I've only seen the video.
Yeah,
But I don't even watch
I've also
it.
only heard stories.
Yeah.
That they are dating. You can't deny the allegations, shit.
He came,
I mean,
right?
they would be a
They
good
can't
couple,
be.
I won't lie.
Yeah,
no.
They would be a
No,
good
create some
couple.
good music.
Why did you drag the good like that?
Yeah, good music.
I'm a good.
Ah, shit.
Breathe.
Yes, yes. So just what's on your mind, James?
What's the plan for 2026, bro? For
Yeah.
2026.
Hey, what? Goals and what?
Yeah.
And,
What's your New Year's resolution? Let the mummies know. Hey.
Mommies.
Nah,
In
that's
the
what
gym?
they Chinese. I won't lie. That New Year's resolution, Chinese, is usually popular with mummies.
yeah.
If I'm being honest.
Yes.
I mean, it's good to
It's
have
love.
resolutions in general, but the same. Usually trend with what comes out. Yo. Mummies. Mummies.
Daar want je met deze alleen was en ik koos, maar oké,
Wat?
that's a story for another
Pauw.
day.
Change it up.
I'm in my gotta want to expose so.
Ay. Yeah, but so James, what's going on?
What are you guys
Ah,
planning
you
for
just
the-
said
What
your
when am I
New Year's,
planning for
what,
the
what?
year?
Yeah, like, yeah. What are you planning to achieve by the end of the year?
I'd rather not put that out there.
I mean, bruh, there's always the challenge that you have to keep to yourself, and then there's those ones that you can just
Yeah.
throw
I would rather keep everything to myself. What about you guys?
yourself is you greedy.
Oh my God.
Why are you greedy?
Greedy.
Mm. Mm.
And you?
And you?
I mean, mine is already, bruh.
Bro.
If everything goes right by the end of the year,
And what if everything
If-
goes left?
you're trying to be funny.
No. I'm trying it.
I mean, if everything goes left, they'll always have a plan. Honestly, the plan B. So if plan A doesn't work out, yeah.
What about you, Zox?
No plan B.
No plan B.
It's not work. It's loss.
Bed
Yeah,
of loss.
yeah.
End of loss. So guys, today we don't have a guest. We'll just be getting a guest on our next episode.
Yeah.
You must just tell us, let us know who you guys
Did you give an intro?
wanna see. Oh, we don't need an intro, do we really?
You have to say,
Sure.
you have to say, yo, welcome to Unfiltered Chats. This is the first
Yeah.
episode. You have the host here,
The host?
Paulus, Zolani, and Cody. Let's breathe.
Oh, yeah.
Let me land. DJ. But that was for Unfiltered Chats.
Say
Okay,
intro.
yeah,
I think
we are
that's
starting.
Hopefully you guys will enjoy the episode, DJ.
Yeah.
And yeah, tap into all our socials. It'll be on screen now.
Oh, well, I did I said. It will be on screen, guys. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Nee, ons praat nog oor de... Oké, again, van ons het beweeg van die topic af. But like,
You want to go back to a topic? Bro?
no, yeah. I just wanna touch on something, you know, like we were speaking about Sex Champion and them, and
Yeah.
what do you guys feel like Namibia's music industry? How is it going? Does it look promising or like
It only looks
promising?
only looks promising for Spoozer.
But then again, look, if you just look at like artists that are trying to come up, like upcoming artists and whatnot, the exposure for them is not really there.
Yeah, there's no platform to.
Because the other day I even saw like on the Namibian, they released an article about 2 artists from the north trying to get exposure. They even commented there and said, nah, it's difficult to get exposure because they're not in the main stage, which is now YouTube.
Yeah.
So there's no really connect.
Yeah,
It's not from
that's,
the north.
so there's maybe
Yeah, but they're
talent.
from like Rundu.
Rundu.
I'm not sure.
Then what type of music do they need?
But the thing is, I probably found music.
Yeah, obviously.
Bruh, just think
Yeah, I'm
about
slept
it.
now.
Yeah, man, let us just be real. Like, Shax champion and Spooza are running the game right now.
Nah, 100%.
100%.
100%. They're top, bro.
Yeah.
They're dope.
I don't know in whose books.
We
but
can't deny it, yeah, but
Yeah.
you know,
I mean, they put in the hours, but they put in the work for it, so definitely deserve it.
no, but I feel like I'm speaking under correction.
Yeah.
Like there's artists really, like hip hop artists and upcomings, but they are. I feel like they think hip hop is not gonna make it. Now they're trying to, switch genres or whatever. Yeah. I'm not sure.
But I want like hip hop in general in Namibia. Yeah,
It's failing.
it's fading heavy.
Is it failing heavy?
Well, okay, let me not say it's fading. Maybe it did not even like get a proper start. The only time I remember when hip hop was really popping is back, it was like, maybe between like the years 2010 to 2015. That's when hip hop was really, if you really deep it.
I'm even trying to think of a
If you
hip hop
leave it,
song
Yeah.
right now.
From
of a
Namibian.
Those
Namibian.
ones are- like if you have to name like in the past 5 years at least one hip hop song. It's not that
It's tough, bruh.
But I know of one though.
What song?
GC. GC,
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah.
the upcoming. I don't know what is his
No, it's Beja.
name, his artist name or something. I know him as GC.
It's not JC Jordan or something.
Can you please help us, man? What is his GC? What is his
He even showed
artist name?
a video. He was shooting a video the other day.
A music video.
Yeah.
Other day, yesterday, no.
Yesterday, I was shooting a music video. What do you want to say, cameraman? What is his name?
Underdog.
Underdog.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So the underdog is actually good. I have heard.
Now they must just push,
What?
bruh. Hip hop is quality at least.
But
I don't feel like it's
it's only,
quality.
it's only
with
the
music.
exposure, bro. Like the exposure for hip hop artists is not really there.
Yeah.
Like if you think about it, what genre does Shani fit in? Shax or Spooza.
Spooza kan iets maken.
Amapiano.
Spooza kan ook een hip hop maken.
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, can you
Because I won't like.
can you say this hip
For
hop?
Namibians, it's like hip hop is not hip hop music in general. You won't find the right audience in Namibia. If you
Yeah.
the audience that you find is probably like us young.
We don't even listen to hip hop that much.
Exactly.
The
I
type
don't know-
shit
I
daar met die
don't know who-
toepassen. Ze listen muziek daar.
La Twist is
Ja, de Latizis.
Latizis.
Die zo.
shit.
Nee, facts, bro.
Nee, ja, it's waar.
Ah, dog.
It's waar.
So, Paulus, what's on your mind, bro?
Nothing much, man.
Nothing
I think I touched on everything that I wanted to touch today, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
ahead of what? Do you guys know about what is the guy's name? Venezuela or what?
Venezuela, the president.
The president.
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
So, come and say Trump is a mafia, man. They always say it's a mafia. Nee, I heard. Yeah,
Did they kidnap him or something?
the president and his wife, yeah. Because
Crazy.
overnight,
Bruh,
bruh,
it
just-
apparently, I checked this, it happened in like 3 hours, 2-3 hours.
What happened in 3
dat
hours?
is grap nog in
Like they
Amerika.
kidnapped him and his chick.
3 hours.
What I read, I may be wrong, man. It's like I don't know what the reason is.
Yeah, yeah.
If I'm being honest, I don't know what the reason is, but they like, I think they threatened him that they will come get him, what, and the nigga said, nah, I'll come. Come get me where I am.
Yeah.
To go me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Same location.
Same location.
Sure. Yeah, that's it.
At this mafia day,
That's
it's
right.
G. Oh. That just shows you the difference, man. Like America's
power.
military, yeah, and I mean any other country
No, you're right.
except for Russia, obviously. China. Guys of
North
mafias.
Korea.
Okay, North Korea. It's
That one's
it's
just
like
like
a drug cartel
Yeah.
that does gangs, no, mass countries.
Yeah,
It's
James,
crazy, bro.
when last did Miss Gideon drop?
Music.
Music.
Sure.
Nope.
Damn, no idea, bro.
No
I
idea.
remember. But is he not working on anything? Like any new projects?
I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
You follow her? You guys follow her?
I'm not really a follower, I would say.
Yeah.
If I hear music, I mean, obviously I'll bump to it, but not really.
Yeah, she's...
Respect to her, I won't play them out.
No, she's up.
She's up, yeah.
She's up. She's really up. It's her and Azaria.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
she's-
Azaria's, I won't lie, Azaria's voice. Tops.
Props.
When she's singing. Oh.
She's tops.
But
Well,
just-
more than
let's
the
just
voice
get
that
the
it
right-
stops, but yeah.
Uh,
More than the voice that it stops, but yeah.
explain.
Mm,
Please
mm,
elaborate.
No, she's good looking. Yeah. They are actually, even Miss Gideon.
Miss Gideon.
I mean, what?
I should make a big brother or something.
We
Namibia.
actually have one in studio, right?
Or busy.
A big brother, like we have someone that can do that voice in studio right now.
Oh yeah, real. If we have to host a big
Oh.
brother.
I click yes, no.
No, yes.
Yeah, I on there young. I was lost, I was lost too.
Sure.
Yeah, ne. There's a Miss Gideon now.
But thanks to the fun. What is yours now? Easy.
Yo, when last did he drop an either?
When last did he drop an idea?
No, yeah, like
When
the
last
last-
did he drop a song?
yeah,
Yeah,
it was
when the last-
Vanaida. The last song he dropped was Vanaida.
So yeah,
I
last
believe
year.
so. Was that last year?
Was it last year or the year before? I'm not sure.
It was last year.
Definitely last year. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Because
Yeah.
if I look back at last year, it feels like that year was short. Right?
Ah, bruh, but
But
last
so
year was
much
shit,
happened.
bruh.
So
Last
much
year was just shit. Let's be honest. Last year was shit.
I won't lie.
In the
Last
beginning.
year was probably my most productive year. Man. I won't lie.
Gents, last year was from my side. Last year was tops.
Ah, bruh.
I won a division, gents.
It's it.
Let's talk about that.
It wasn't easy. Winning that,
Mm.
it wasn't. I know it was like
Yeah.
third division, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it wasn't easy. It was actually nice. I'm actually happy at the team I am right now. It's great. Great. And those are my brothers, like.
Mm.
And you are
Yeah,
also
it's
there.
family, yeah,
It's
okay.
family. You are also there.
Everyone, brother, those people make you feel like family.
Yeah, they
Even
make
if
you,
you're behind your brother,
you are
the
together.
brotherhood there is good. Bro.
Yeah,
It's
Tops.
Tops.
Tops, bro.
Yeah. It was. We'll try again to win something this year, and I believe in my team.
I mean, bro,
So
what I've seen like when I was there, the training, like the coaches, they put in work.
they
Bro.
put in work.
They strong work ethic. That's
Yeah.
all.
I
Push.
It's like
Everyone is
tops.
together, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
I really love.
did you win any like awards apart from the league?
And the individual
Yeah,
awards.
individual
Yeah, I won a few awards.
Mm.
I won. I shared an award with Derabo, one of my
Close friends.
close friends there, the team,
Yeah.
and I won top goal scorer.
Top goal
How many
scorer.
goals?
Shit.
Let's see. How many goals was it? 9? Yeah, that was just for the not for the whole league.
Yeah.
Yeah. Besides, like, let me be honest, I'd rather win titles with a team
Mm.
than not win individual awards.
Mm.
Yeah, of
So
course.
you'd rather win a title and not get an
Individual award, I prefer that, but it's also good for you, like motivation.
Yeah.
It keeps you going.
Keeps you going.
Yeah,
True, true.
real. But yeah, man, I prefer winning like as a team.
As a team.
Yeah, that's.
Nah, 100%.
Yeah, I don't even I don't know, like, even if somebody asks me, oh, what did you win? Then I'll tell them, nah, I won a division, bro.
Yeah.
Oh,
Instead of saying
you won't
I
say,
won top
yeah.
goal
Yeah,
scorer.
I won.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, man, I
There's
won a
like
division.
background.
Yeah.
Staging it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the shared award was with who? I mean, what was it? What award was it?
Players, what's it? Player of the season. Player.
Like, was it like you got it from the league or the club itself?
For the club itself. Yeah, from the club itself. Was top. The
Bro.
league.
Bro, congrats, bro.
Man is humble.
Because I'm
Don't have time for that.
yeah.
Bro, what's in your shoes?
He's only humble, but
Flex.
that's
Some
next.
flex.
A chance to get next
So
time.
if mensen flex ook heel erg goed hebben, bro. Like, I mean, it's yours. You deserve it, most.
Yeah, I know.
As long as you feel like you deserve it. Bruh,
Yeah, I do.
everyone should know.
I mean, but
Everyone should know. Yeah, but gents, it's what do I want to say right now? Like I said, I prefer winning with the team.
yeah, so obviously.
Yeah, and that I didn't yet win nothing, gents, in this soccer thing.
What do you mean?
I
This
didn't-
was the first.
Yeah, that was the first big medal I won, like a division.
Yeah.
That is the first. Yeah,
I mean, that's a is it an achievement on its own?
it's already an achievement on its own. Yeah. So
When did you start for this team?
when did I start? So last year, 2024 November. I joined in there. Yeah, 2024 November, and it was. Yeah, I can say that is the greatest.
Team you played
Greatest.
for since young or
No, the greatest Shandy decision I've made in my life
decision? Okay.
so far in this soccer career thing.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
This guy is going to take us to Paris, Shax.
Ah,
Europe, Shax.
hopefully, man.
That is a documentary story. Oh,
Oh,
pregnant.
shit.
I idolized
Don't
him.
post that. See, I was there with
bro.
him.
I was
They
there
shot
since
a
day one.
podcast even.
Hey, we should have podcast even.
Sure.
Bruh,
Yeah, man.
anything, bruh. Net that joke shine.
Yeah.
What that?
Ze brengen mensen huis toe. Ze
Ja.
kom hier, kom interview ons hier.
Come here.
Kom
Hi,
hier of
mouse
loss.
was, you know, where we were and shit.
Kom hier of loss.
Yeah, of loss. I just have a nice group of shit they could just say.
So,
It's a old day.
yeah. Last year, man. Like, that after, like, because I was training with you guys like the beginning of the year.
Yeah.
Then around Feb is when I stopped because I got this tender job thing
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Region 5 youth games. And I was just jobbing there. And I was like, that journey actually taught me a lot. Bro.
It was
And
tough.
like the experience in its own, like working with the people, which was
I kind of work
it was
with
memorable. It was like accreditation, creating access cards for people,
Oh,
verifying their documents, making sure, because it was much with, I think, all the SADC countries basically, they came with young athletes, I think under 20,
under 20s, yeah.
of different sports. I was just the channel low-key built my character too.
For real.
It changed how I think, how I do things, specific challenges now.
And then, how about the payment? Was it good?
Hey,
Was it
I
good?
mean, I enjoyed it properly.
Yeah, done.
It was like that one. That's like the highlight of my year. If I'm being honest.
For real.
That channel, the highlight of my year. I met so many people, bro.
My highlight of
That's
the
not, that's like,
for 3 years now.
Mm.
Okay, now, but like last year changed
Yeah.
because I won a division again. And Miami,
Mm.
definitely.
Definitely
The other
Miami.
2 years it has been Miami. That was the highlight of the year.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was. It's always cool.
But I won't lie. For like, if you want to travel, like with friends, try to do it when there's not a lot of people like traveling. Like these are. Like you can go December with like your group of friends
Yeah.
and then you go experience it, meet new people, whatever. But then even when it's quiet, maybe like middle of the year, maybe travel with your brothers, go to the coast again. But then this time you focus mainly on like activities. Go do activities and all that.
yeah, that's
Because then it
quality
was now
bonding.
calm.
Yeah.
Then that time you guys can talk for real. Because if you go that time, it's a thing of you must always be on the move, always
Must
going
be
somewhere.
HS, man. Miami. En nog deze
Mm.
combo. Like I wouldn't know what to say if I had to say my highlight of last year. Because I already said last year was shit. So,
But
yeah.
you need to have a highlight at least.
Yeah, there has to be at least one thing, bro. At least one.
Come, tell again though.
Miami.
Nee, Miami. Yeah, ma. Some
Like
things I also
something-
can say, man. I feel like, yeah.
Like a highlight is basically something that made you grow as a person.
Last year, nothing made me grow.
Oh,
It was rough.
Maybe Miami.
Miami made you grow it.
Hard, bro.
So it made you release all the
Yeah,
stress that you had
oh.
for the year.
Stress, yeah, you see, because the year was shit.
Yeah,
And then
so
Miami
made it
oh,
better.
relax a big, yeah.
At least you ended the year off now
Yeah, at least.
with the boys.
No, bro, but then New Year's, I'm coming into this year now. There's already problems and shit. We were fighting on the beach there, New Year's, Langstraat.
Do you feel like that was a real fight or you
No,
guys
there
were-
was no.
It was not a real fight because you guys were
a bit
just
under the influence now.
Yeah,
you guys were
We
just
were
a bit-
joking, yeah.
You guys were
you guys
just
are
a
not
bit-
taking it seriously, basically.
So that's why we were
But
laughing.
Ness,
No,
Even
bro,
Ness-
what?
I've lost.
Come of lost.
Yeah, there was no fun.
Yeah. Come of lost.
Yes.
Bro, what's life without a few dumb stories, bro?
Nah, real.
Dumb friend.
Yeah.
Obviously, they're not dumb, but just
Yeah, the
type
things
of
we do,
activities,
man.
yeah.
That's why I like being with you guys. You guys like do the funniest things when you guys are around. The people will be asking me, it's a polis. But then I tell them also these are my childhood friends. Yes.
Yeah.
You guys want me to switch up on my childhood, even as a rice or say
Some are switch up on your day one.
Yeah, I know
If
who
you
will
get
switch
money-
up on me though. I know. Camera guy.
The uncle.
The uncle.
Showing insight into so.
Diamonds are not on switch up. I'm not ready. They see in the. Yeah, gents.
Miami, Florida.
Yeah.
But so you said so far this year it's already problems.
No, it started off. Then
Oh,
I
it
was
started
like,
off with
yeah, then I was
problems.
like,
Yeah.
no, but I'm positive, bruh. This year,
No, as long as
I'm
you're
gonna
positive.
grind.
Yeah, we need to grind.
Pause. Pause. Huh?
Pause.
Yeah. No, I said I'm gonna. Then I said pause. Cause.
Oh no, you lost. We're not.
Oh, you did.
You lost us.
You lost us.
You lost us, bro.
Yeah.
It's
Forward. Yeah. Nah, it's that.
Come on, forward.
Yeah. Nah, you know, when you're always the bruise and you say something zesty,
Mm.
it has to say pause almost.
Yeah.
But now,
Why did you say that it's zesty now?
nah, it's fine. So, I'm past that, bro. Moving on. New year, bro.
Yeah, James, must be. I think we can end it, right? For the first episode. We'll be dropping every Tuesday.
Tuesdays.
Every Tuesdays we'll
Yeah.
try.
This was just
Oh,
laid back,
what,
chilling.
What like
Yeah.
either 12 p.m. or 3 p.m.
Yeah, one of the two.
Between that, don't expect at 12 or at 3. In between that, check. Hopefully.
For all our international viewers, I don't know the time that it will be released.
Between 12 and 3 p.m. CAT. CAT Central African time.
Yeah.
Just
CAT.
stay tuned.
James, if you watched until here, we won't disappoint you guys. We'll be dropping every Tuesday. We will be having a guest sitting next to Cody.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for tapping in.
Also comment.
And yeah, also
Like.
don't forget to comment and tell us who you guys want to see on the podcast.
Yeah.
We'll try our best to get them.
I mean, it can even be a big influencer, right? If they're down to,
Yeah.
come on the podcast,
Sure.
we'll invite them, right?
Yeah. And yeah, man. Happy New Year, gents.
Yeah,
Happy New
yeah,
Year
yeah.
from us to you guys.
Mm.
Yes, yeah.
Sharp.
Safety.
See you.